Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Blue VR, and today I'm gonna be doing something. And yeah, before I get into that, I really hope you enjoy. And yeah, my brother's gonna be my cameraman for today's video. Not even today's video, forever. I don't know if it's forever, but yeah. Shout yourself at. I said
What's up,
out.
YouTube?
Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be making car sounds with a map. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. In 3, 2, 1. Oh god, I'm nervous. Okay, wait. 3, 2. Wait. Okay. 3, 2. God, I messed it up. 3, 2. And yeah, this is just with a mask. Oh, a mask. I mean a map. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.